Hello, good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your BD Memorial English Higher Secondary School. So today I have decided to take you back to your classrooms and all. It was a very tough time for us, even to everyone like teachers and students going through the online classes and all. Finally, we have ended the session 2021. So today I have decided to take you back to your school, which was very crowded earlier. So I would like to request our cameraman to show you. Everything looks like this. So yesterday election took place in West Bengal. So for that, those shades are being made so that the voters can come easily and cast their vote properly. So now I would like to take you to your classroom this way. So this is the same corridor where you used to walk early morning and after 2 o'clock also. So the first class we are going to enter is this is KG1. So let us see over here. So our lady morning. So still we are on duty. Students are at home. We are here for you all to provide you services anytime, whenever any doubts are there. Students used to come. So let us now talk to some of our lady teachers. How was their experiences during the session 2021? So first of all, I would like to ask with our Sudha madam. Sudha madam, how was your experience last year? 2020 was a very toughest time for everyone. How did you manage conducting the online classes?
Hello everybody. First of all, I would like to thank sir for giving me opportunity to say something about our this online classes. Yes, really it was very hard and tough time for all of us, even teachers and students also. But I'm proud to say that we have win over it. No, because 1 year already gone, then we have result now, and we have done our school's result also. So time is not in our hand that whatever we want to do, but we should go according to the time. So it's a very good experience for me and for students also. So let's see, hope for the best that our school will reopen soon. Thank you.
So this was our Sudha madam who had been with the online classes with the students and all. So here we have our very old, the senior most teacher of BD Memorial. How many years did you complete in BD Memorial School?
I have completed nearly 25 years.
So it is 25 years, so it is silver jubilee completion. So ma'am, it was very difficult for you all to conduct the online classes, and how did you manage it, ma'am?
Yeah, it was quite difficult for me to conduct the online classes, but I have learned a lot.
Yeah, holding online classes with the small kids, it was very tough. So which medium did you use to interact with them, ma'am? Any other software or through WhatsApp?
I have used WhatsApp.
Okay, through WhatsApp. So thank you very much, ma'am, talking to us. So here we have another grand, young, energetic lady. So I'd like to ask her, Miss Anjum, how was your experience taking the online classes last year?
It was a good experience and it has taught me a lot of things, online class, and not only to me but to the students also. So it was a good experience.
Okay, so you also learned many things. So I heard that you're very creative also. What would like to say something about your creativity?
Yes, sir, I just like to draw and all.
Okay. Thank you, Anju miss. So here we have our Sarla madam who takes care of the small kids. The earlier these classes were filled with small kids crying, howling, screaming and all. But this time you see the classroom is completely vacant and all. We teachers are still waiting for the day to come that when the students will be back to our school and we teachers will be busy once again with the students and trying to build up their future. So now here we have Sarla madam with us. Sarla madam, please kindly share your experience with us regarding the online classes of 2021.
Hello everybody. In online classes it is very tough, but I did online classes smoothly with the little children. I enjoy with the little children through WhatsApp. So it is tough also, it is very enjoyable also.
Okay, ma'am. So that means this was a new experience for everyone. All the lady teachers who were not at all used to those online classes and all, they did it very well. And we BDNs are very, very proud of our system that we did our best and we completed our session 2020-21. And finally, we prepared the results and results are declared also for us to commence our new session once again geared up to start our new session fresh and with full of energy. So it's me, Soeb Alam, with cameraman Prakash Khanal from BD Memorial English Higher Secondary School. Thank you very much.